wanna guess where we are right now?
Perhaps you have been hearing the buzz of Leksyon Pangasinan for the past 2 days. Well, we already gave the hint. Actually, it is indeed a wonderful privilege to be right here at STO1 Pangasinan.
Yes, partner! Talagang rare privilege nga ito na makapunta ang Lingayen 3 sa Leksyon, Pangasinan. This is just one among the initiatives that our beloved Superintendent, Dr. Sheila Marie Provicias, had just put in place para sa ating benefit. Adding to those joys that we have, however, is yung alam mo na yung school head natin mismo na si Dr. Rochelle C. Ramos ay mag-guest sa Leksyon, Pangasinan, as well as other competent personnel from Lingayen 3 District headed by Dr. Sonia C. Adversalo. They will all be joining forces para i-share ang mga relevant news and updates para sa ating lahat.
Yeah, we can wait any longer, partner.
Yes.
At syempre, hindi rin natin palalampasin ang mga ibabahagi nilang impormasyon para sa atin.
Ayan. So whether naka-work from home ka or nandyan ka ngayon sa school, why not spare a little part of your time to tune in to today's radio broadcast?
Kaya abangan natin ang Team Lingayen 3 sa Leksyon Pangasinan at 9 a.m.
Yes.
This is Mom Junette,
And this is Thursday.
and we are always happy to serve!